Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to combine the front and back side of an ID card into a single image without installing any app. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, here you type PineTools Merge Images and search for it. After that, tap on PineTools website at the top of the search results. Now here you can see two sections for uploading photos. At first, tap on choose file under the first image and select the front side of the ID card from your gallery. After uploading the front side, tap on choose file under the second image and select the back side of the ID card from your gallery. After that, scroll down. Then under how to position the images, select horizontally if you want both sides side by side, or vertically if you want one image above the other. After that, keep the other settings as default. Then scroll down and tap on merge. Now select the format in which you want to download the image. Here I am choosing JPG. Now the image has been successfully downloaded to your phone. As you can see, both the front and back sides of my ID card are combined into a single JPG image. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.